The O2 we painted last week has a bit of a smoking habit. So we're going to put him in rehab today. Doesn't sound real keen either, does it? A little bit rough. No codes, no engine light, no clues, just a lot of smoke. Didn't sound right. Took the injectors to Williams, had them all checked out. 3 of them were good, 2 of them we replaced. Didn't make any difference. Replaced the MAF, one we had here on a parts car, didn't make any difference. Replaced the turbo with a new one, didn't make any difference. No codes, no engine light, just a lot of smoke and a rough idle. We're gonna put a new EGR on it today and see if that helps. 11, drive adapter, drive extension. Look at that. There you go. I'm sure there's a proper torque for this. Well, the new EGR didn't fix the rough idle or the smoking problem, so tune into the next episode of Two Blue to see us do a compression test on this engine. Florida Van Man is made possible by viewers like you. Please click the links below to visit Amazon or buy me a coffee, one of the links below, to make a donation to the Florida Van Man channel.